Hello ladies, and thank you for buying the Body Essentia Festive Pack. I just want to show you how to use the products. Okay, so what you would do, no matter what the area is, your arm, your thigh, your stomach, even your jawline, okay, you would cleanse first. So whatever your cleanser is, you would cleanse the area, all right, in the shower, cleanse, okay? Then you would get out, pat it all dry with a tissue, because remember, we don't want to rub grime and grease and bacteria back onto the area with a towel. So you use tissue to dry, okay, or paper towel. After that, you're going to turn, so you're going to take your cotton round, you're going to apply your toner, and then you're going to rub the area, whichever area is that you are doing, whatever area, your thigh, excuse me, your stomach, whatever area you're doing, you're then going to turn. All right, then from there, you're going to roll, all right? So you would take your body roller or your roller and you would rub the area, all right? So if it's on, a triceps, okay, that area, if we're getting anything saggy there or saggy here on your stomach, you're then going to roll the whole area, okay? And then now listen carefully. After that, you're going to first apply your body contouring cream. This is the one that works the magic, okay, gets into the cells. It's going to help it to contour, to tighten, to stop the sagging. It's going to fight the fat inside the cell that's causing the cellulite, okay? So we're fighting with this product the lack of tone, so the sagging skin, and also the fat inside the cell which creates the cellulite. So you apply that all over the area, okay? And then you apply your Dermalac and your massage oil. Now these are salon products, but you would take a pump from each of them, rub them, and then put it over the contouring cream. So it's the contouring cream, then the massage and the oil and the Dermalac rub together, and then put over whatever it is, whatever area it is that you're working, okay? It's going to tone the skin, it's going to fight the cellulite, the fat inside the cell. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know. Just send me a text. Okay, sending you lots of love.